Welcome to my organic garden. Let's go harvest some mustard greens.
Hey, it's been about 3.5 weeks since we transplanted the greens. Get out of here. Go away. Anyway, they're beautiful. I can't wait to show you. Ruger's really happy this morning. Let's go see what those greens look like. Mustard greens. Amazing.
Summer and winter and springtime and harvest, sun, moon, and star in their courses above.
Look at this. They've grown so much. It's incredible. So to give you a perspective of just how big they are, I'm going to move the camera over next to the biggest ones in the back, and you're going to be amazed. I grabbed a 5-gallon pot and some scissors on my way out because this is a great way to harvest your leaves. Look at that. Look how big this is. That's amazing. When you think about the life that's in the soil that is giving life to the plant, combine it with water and sunshine, it really doesn't even add up to all the nutrition that's packed into these leaves. And you just have to say, only God can do that. And thank you, God, for giving me such an amazing plant that nourishes me. Come on in closer. I'm going to show you how to cut these leaves off. We're going to cut this mustard plant way back. You will not hurt this plant by harvesting the leaves. They're meant to be harvested. Now I'm going to take a look at that and make sure it's good leaf. Great. That's a keeper. Well, this is actually a couple of plants that grew really close together. Now you see these old leaves at the bottom? That's you just cut them off, lay them to the side. You can put them in the compost or you can just leave them here. It won't hurt anything to leave them here. You're not going to believe how many servings of greens there are on just one plant. I pretty much will cut it back all the way down to just the center leaves. Keep cutting until you get all the way down to just a few leaves. And you will be surprised, in about 2 weeks, these leaves and the ones that are growing down in here will be this size in just 2 or 3 weeks. And some of the leaves, I don't want that one. So just put them to the side. There's a nice one.
Hey, it's me. popping in here real quick. I wanted to show you something that I made for you, and it's free. I have garden plans at a glance. Just hit that link below and print it out. It's going to help you. And as a little bonus, I also made my own veggie list that has worked for me through the seasons here in Florida. And I also have a list of where I get my seeds. All right, let's get back to work. A gift to me from God. Aren't they beautiful? Now that you have all those mustard greens, what are you going to do with them? You're going to wash them and cook them, of course. I'm going to show you how to save a lot of time. Go to my channel, go to my playlist, look under mustard greens, and you'll find that video there. While you're at it, take a look around in my Etsy shop. You're going to find my garden journal. So the address is etsy.com/shop/your organic garden. You're going to find a journal to print off, or if you prefer, there's an electronic journal. If you will keep up your garden journal, then you're going to be successful because you're going to refer to it year after year. That's how you learn. You learn from what went right and what went wrong, and you're going to be able to keep track of the different successes that you've had. Thanks for watching.